In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your MooMoo user ID. Whether you're new to MooMoo or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will make the process easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the MooMoo app installed on your device. Once you have it ready, go ahead and open the app. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This typically involves your email address or username and your password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually an option to reset it right on the login page. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Find the one labeled Me and tap on it. This button is your gateway to your personal account settings and information. It's like the control center for everything related to your MooMoo account. After tapping the Me button, you're taken to a new screen. This page is all about you, your profile, your settings, and most importantly for our purposes today, your user ID. Direct your attention to the top of this page. Your user ID should be displayed prominently right there. It's usually a combination of numbers, and it's unique to your account. This ID is essential for certain account-related tasks, so it's good to know exactly where to find it. And just like that, you've successfully located your MooMoo user ID. It's a simple process, but having this information at your fingertips can be incredibly useful, especially if you need it for customer support or when managing your account. Remember, your user ID is part of what makes your account unique, so keep it in a safe place. That's it. That's how to find your MooMoo user ID. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading with MooMoo.